Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've opened the workbook and located the chart. First, click the chart area so Excel shows the series and axes. Once selected, decide which approach fits, change axis scales for numeric zoom, or limit the data source to focus on a range. Make sure you can see the primary axis labels. Right-clicking an axis will expose Format Axis. This first choice dictates the detailed steps that follow, so pick axis scale for precise numeric zoom, or adjust the data range to crop visually. Now you'll zoom by changing the axis or the data. If you need numeric zoom, right-click the axis and open Format Axis. Set minimum and maximum values to narrow the view. Once done, tweak major and minor units if ticks look crowded. Alternatively, choose Select Data and shorten the series range to crop the chart visually. This is faster for non-continuous selections. For time series, make sure axis type is date axis so Excel interprets bounds correctly. That prevents distorted finish by fine-tuning formatting and testing interaction. Apply grid lines and data labels if they help interpretation, then click elsewhere to verify the zoomed view persists. If something looks wrong, reset the axis bounds to auto or remove the custom source range to restore the original chart. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the axis refuses to zoom correctly, clear any axis minimum/maximum you set and confirm no filters or hidden rows are excluding data. That usually fixes misscaling and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.